welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing awesome in your life. So this is kind of a study vlog and or a day in my life. So let's see what I was doing in this day. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So this particular day I started with doing physics. By the way, I was revising this chapter, light reflection and refraction, I would say, because particularly I'm so much weak in physics than the other two subjects, chemistry and biology. So I wanted to do as much as possible, and I always confuse with mirrors and lenses. So that's why I thought of doing a study or a kind of revision, I would say. So I was doing that particular revision on this day. And I was just revising the ray diagrams, and as we all know, it's gonna be kind of MCQ exam. So I'm sure that we don't get ray diagrams to draw, but we really need to know the positions and all, because MCQs might come from those parts as well. So I thought of doing that as well, and after which I just had a lot of chocolate. So it's my favorite, and then we had a plan to go for a grocery shopping, which is something inevitable, I would say. And then after that we had my lunch. So something favorite was prepared by my mom, and I was having that. So yeah, after this there is some work we should do, and as I said, it was an inevitable shopping. I just left my table like that and went for the shopping, and currently I just cleaned it all out and started with doing the footprints without feet, I guess. Yes, so I was doing the footprints without feet. So basically we had this chapter for our PA2 periodic assessment too. So I thought of revising this chapter. By the way, my periodic will start within a week. So I guess I will not be uploading any video, or let's see what happens. If I have time for editing, I'm sure I'll be uploading any video. But yeah, let's hope for the best and go ahead. Okay, so yeah, and I wanted to thank those 700 people who just subscribed my channel. Thank you so much. So it's nothing without you guys, and I wanted to just be grateful for you guys till the end of my life. So thank you so much. So after doing this, I just took a quite long break, I would say. It was around 1.5 hours break, and I just wish to show you guys the scenery. It was really amazing. And after this, I continued to doing mathematics, by the way, and I'm on the very start of this chapter, trigonometry. Basically, we completed the portions, so we are going to have a lot of tests from now. And I have just received a message that this is going to be a part of our PA2 exams. So I was doing that on that particular day, and I just wasn't the start, as I said. So I was just learning the ratios and all those things. By the way, now I think I'm good at ratios, but not. I'm pretty weak at the identities part, because after even doing a lot of things, final answer is a bit tricky. You don't get it sometimes. That's when you get so much disappointed. But still, I wish you guys not to get disappointed. Okay, just go ahead, try it. So sometimes it's hard because trigonometry, you're studying it for the first time, so you don't get it in the first go, in the first spite. So just try harder and just go ahead and do it. So then I found there was so many identities to remember, so I thought of writing them in the sticky notes, but then I dropped the plan out. And then after which I had my dinner, and now I'm going to be continuing with federalism. Yes, I'm going to be doing some part of social science. This part or federalism is quite interesting to me because it's all about India, right? So not just India, but so many other countries, and it's all about politics. So I'm kind of interested in politics and economics, or rather to say that I like politics than the other three sub branches of the SST. So I was doing that chapter, and I really like this chapter because it has some interesting aspects to just learn about. So what are your guys' interesting chapters in politics and SST? Just let me know in the comment box. So I was doing this all on Sunday, by the way. So Sunday it was meant for chilling, right? But in 10th you cannot do that. So I was just not being really productive on this particular day. I was around 75% and less than that. I make sure that I utilize all the time that I get for studying, but my mind just does not say that always. And I hope all of you guys are like that. I don't know. As I always say, not every day is productive, but I always maintain consistency. That is what I wanted to say to you guys. Just maintain consistency, even if you study for 1 or 2 hours, doesn't matter. Just study consistently every day. That's important. So yeah. So this is a short vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Meet you guys in another video. Until then, stay tuned, stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you. Bye.